Today on RTD Adventures, we're going to talk about all the essential things that you need to bring into a Disney park.
Jacob, those things are awesome, but they're really not essential for the park. Okay, you can bring the lightsaber with you. How's it going, everybody? My name is Brian.
I'm Jacob.
And we are here today to talk about the essential things you need to bring with you to Disneyland. Now, there's a lot of stuff you can buy when you're in the parks, of course, souvenirs and all sorts of fun snacks and whatnot, but there's some things that you just cannot live without. We're here to talk about some of the most important things that you absolutely cannot go to Disneyland without.
You need to bring these things.
All right, here's an easy one to start off with. Good pair of sunglasses. Obviously, you're outside. It should explain itself.
Next really important thing that you need to bring into the park is a water bottle. And not just any water bottle. Probably the best water bottle you could get is one that's insulated. It will stay cold for most of the day if you got ice in it. The fun fact about this is you could also fill up your water bottles in the park. Different places you could do it for free.
All right, next up is another really important one for me. This is a battery backup. So you're in Disneyland, you're using your phone a lot. So whether it's Genie Plus, whether it's just the Disneyland app to check the ride times or make reservations, you need to be using your phone. And if your battery's running dead, you're out of luck. So having one of these is key to making sure you can take the most advantage of your day in Disneyland. Now, I like to bring my own, but Disneyland does have their own fuel rods that you can purchase in the park. However, it's nice just having your own equipment. That way you don't have to worry about the hassle of trying to find the fuel rod stations. And this is just always on your body and ready to go.
Speaking of batteries, you know what's really good to have with your battery that you're going to be charging? A phone! You're going to need your phone, so please bring your phone. It's your lifeline, you need this thing. Another very important thing you're going to need while in the parks is sunscreen. You are in California, the sunny state, so you will be outside and it will be hot. And for most of the year. So you're going to need this to protect your skin while you're out there having fun.
Okay, here's one that not a lot of people think about, and that's bringing your own hand sanitizer. So obviously we're washing our hands because we're touching so many things while we're in the park, but when you're just grabbing a quick snack and you don't have a restroom that's nearby or a sink that's nearby, having this in your bag, just ready to do a quick sanitize of your hands before you eat a snack is really helpful. Another bonus, you're gonna be walking around all day, maybe you're gonna get a headache, maybe your feet are sore. Not a bad idea to carry a little bit of Tylenol or ibuprofen, something that's gonna help you with those little aches and pains during your trip.
Genius.
Okay, this one might seem a bit obvious, but when you're at the parks, you're gonna be spending money. An easy thing though to take care of not having to carry cash is having Disney gift cards. The great thing about this, you can actually load these onto the Disney app and not have to carry any cards with you physically. They're just all gonna be located on your phone, ready to go.
Okay, everybody, so this next one might be a weird one to you, but I think it's amazing. It's called a Jacob Essential. Now here's the thing, I like to bring flip-flops into my backpack when I'm going in the park. Here's the reason why. I hate going on Splash Mountain, getting off the ride, and my shoes are soaked because you will get wet on that ride. Now, stay with me. So while you're in line, it's a long line, you'll be standing there. I take off my shoes, I slip these bad boys on, put my shoes in the backpack, and guess what? They don't get wet, my feet do. These dry off in like 5 minutes, and now I've got dry feet. Jacob tips.
If you really are worried though about your shoes getting wet in the bag, just bring a plastic bag with you. You can wrap up the shoes, stick them in the backpack, good to go. All right, last up is the most important thing to bring with you, and that is having a good backpack. I'm gonna tell you what, when you are trying to carry these essential items around, you don't wanna pack them around in your pockets. You need to have something that's easy to pack around. Stick your water bottle in this, stick your souvenirs in it, and make sure you've got something with plenty of room. You don't want something that's just gonna hold a couple things and then have to worry about toting things around with you the rest of the day, but be careful that you don't also overpack, right? There's a fine line to travel there, so just make sure you get the right kind of backpack, get something that's comfortable, something that's gonna suit your needs for your trip. So that's our list. What did you think? Did we leave any out? What are your essential items? We wanna hear about it, so let us know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As always,
thanks for watching.